The Smith Machine Romanian Deadlift, also known as RDLs, is an exercise that targets the hamstrings and glutes. Although I prefer to do RDLs using free weights in the form of barbells or dumbbells, the barbell on the Smith Machine moves in a locked-in, straight up and down path. Thus, it requires less activation of the stabilization muscles, thus making it easier for some people to isolate the muscles in the hamstrings and glutes. If the safety racks on your Smith Machine inhibit you from lowering the bar to the proper depth, you can elevate your feet on a plate or a step. Lastly, if you're using an angled Smith Machine as you see in this video, make sure you are facing out, which ensures the bar moves at a slight angle toward your body as you raise the bar rather than away from your body. To get started, with your feet positioned just inside hip width, grip the bar with an outside hip width overhand grip. To release the safety hooks away from the safety bar, lift the bar up and off the rack with a slight backward twist. With your knees unlocked and slightly bent and shoulders rolled back, exhale as you bend at the waist and push your hips back to begin lowering the barbell. Ensure you maintain a flat back with your neck in alignment with your spine while keeping the bar close to your body as you lower it towards the floor. Only lower as far as you can while maintaining a flat back. Inhale as you drive your feet through the floor and contract your hamstrings and glutes by thrusting your hips forward to pull the barbell back up along your body until you reach the starting position. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.